Hello! This is from iPams. My name is Lala and Carla. So may question kaming sasagutin dito from Gian Nabas comment sa aming mga post. Ang tanong niya is, ang anak ko po ma'am is graduate ng BS Hospitality Management. Fresh graduate po, pwede po ba siyang mag-apply sa inyo? Carla, may opening tayong waitress for Hyatt Regency Alcut, no? Pwede?
Yes, ma'am, pwede. Meron po tayong opening ngayon for Hyatt Regency. This is bound to Kuwait po for, it's a 5-star hotel there. And for your question, ma'am, ang anak nyo po is graduate ng Hospitality Management. So, as long as meron po siyang OJT in a hotel, that will serve as her experience po. Okay na okay po sa atin yan. And also, sa mga intern din po dyan na nanonood, we also have an intern po na for Hyatt Regency as well.
Ayan. So, kailan ang final interview ng ating employer?
Final interview of the employer will be on July 10 and July 11. If ever na makapasa po kayo sa IPAM screening, pwede po kayong dumiretso na for final interview once na qualified po sila.
Okay. Pero pwede rin sila mag-walk-in starting ngayong July 8.
Yes po.
Hanggang bukas, hanggang may employer's interview.
Yes,
pwede?
hanggang Friday po,
Okay.
July 11.
So, anong may re-recommend mong tip kapag pumunta sila dito sa IPAM's office?
Once na pumunta po kayo dito, make sure na ang grooming natin is maganda. Ibig sabihin po is maayos, naka-formal attire, naka-suit, and naka-skirt for the female, and then make sure na yung hair nyo po is naka-bun, and also maganda rin po ang makeup. Of course, dahil isa po yun sa tinitignan din ni employer.
Ayan. Communication skills is essential din.
Yes, that
practice
is very
dapat ng
essential.
konting English hanggang sa pumasa sa final interview. Ayan. Okay. So, waitresses po, sagot natin dito. Yes, pwede ang graduate ng BS Hospitality Management. May OJT yan for sure, either sa fine dining restaurant or kahit hotel. So, pakisabi sa anak niyo po, punta na dito sa IPAM's office, mag-apply na. Ayun. Sundin lang yung tip ni Carla. Last tip, habang nag-interview ka, anong tinitignan mo sa aplikante?
Always bring out your smile.
Yan. O, syempre nasa service industry. Dapat may smile. O, sige. Kita-kits po dito sa IPAM's office, 723 Aurora Boulevard, New Manila, Quezon City. Kami po ay katapat lang ng Robinson's Magnolia. Kung kayo ay galing sa Cubao, para hindi maligaw, ay pumunta lang po sa Aurora Boulevard, sumakay ng jeep, papuntang Divisoria or Stop and Shop. Then, baba lang po, diretso sa IPAM's office. 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. po, tatanggap kami ng aplikante for waitress position for Hyatt Regency Alcut Mall. No placement fee, no processing fee, no salary deduction, as in walang babayaran, Carla, tama?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, sige. So, we'll see you. Bye!
See you, everyone.